Access to UK's asylum system should be based on need, not the ability to pay people smugglers. If you enter illegally from a safe country like France, you are choosing the UK as your preferred destination, and you are doing so at the expense of those with nowhere else to go.
The government policy is defined by a lack of compassion and a lack of competence. The plans risk baking into the UK system the callousness, frankly, of this government's approach.
Well, in relative terms, if we compare the UK with other European countries, the problem seems relatively small. In terms of asylum applicants, the UK ranks about 5th, with other countries like Italy, Spain, France and Germany having many more applicants and granting asylum to many more refugees.